Alright guys, welcome back to our choose channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook ad. Yes, let's dive into our Facebook. This is a Facebook interface here. Now this is so you're going to come here to this three menu button here, and then you're going to click on this ad center here, and this is it. These are ad center, so you're going to, let's see, create a new ad now. So these are going to create a new ad. Let's create our new ad and see what is going to be. Alright, this is it. So you're going to button, you can see it, get more messages, get more leads. I want to, you can see, is it for get more messages or get more leads or more website visitor or get more pages like or more cursor. I want to get more mail, how to promote now. So I'm going to get more visits. You can say, say promote now, show less or say less. You can say you can promote now, and that's an ad. Let's continue. And when you're going to add, you want to do a create a ad, Facebook need require a little amount of money to monetize your Facebook. Because if you're trying to create an ad, that means you're trying to monetize your Facebook, which is not correctly going to happen on my, that's my provider. I'm not going to monetize this provider, so I will not be able to create an ad to it. And an ad is when you're trying to buy more people, you're trying to get more influence people, going to get more audience, more followers on your Facebook to be able to monetize your Facebook page, and which is not correctly, I'm not currently eligible to it. So I'm not going to do any ads on my Facebook. So I didn't, because I didn't have anything to to tell people that I am doing. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button and share.